Hey friends, let me show you how to draw lips really quickly. First of all, lips are constructed from 3 muscles on the top lip and 2 muscles on the bottom lip. So the first muscle I'll draw is the center muscle. It looks kind of like this. And I'm going to exaggerate it for you, okay? And then the side muscles look like this. And then those muscles have a little bit of fat around them, so sometimes it looks like this, with a little bit of a peak on the bottom. And I'm gonna finish off these sides of these lips with a little upturned grin, okay? So this is the upper lip. And then the lower lip, I'll make it a little bit thicker. The lower lip has a muscle here, and then kind of a muscle here. And they overlap a little bit. And then I tuck them in just below, or just on the inside of this upper lip. Same thing here. And you'll see some models or whatever that have this really pronounced 2-muscle lower lip. Now to create volume and make these lips interesting, I'll exaggerate some of the wrinkles. Now lips, when you zoom in really, really close, they have tons of little wrinkles so that the skin can stretch. Now what I'm doing is, you can see I'm radiating the lines from kind of below center out to the outer edges, and I'm darkening the ends here where they tuck under. They tuck under the cheek there. Now I'm doing the same thing over here. I'm going round. I'm trying to give it this volumetric feel, okay? And they're gonna be shadowed on the bottom, and I leave a little space here. That's for reflected light, especially if really shiny lips. Well, that's how you draw lips. 3 muscles on the top, 2 muscles on the bottom, and they tuck in on the sides here. And if you really want to make them happy, you turn up the ends.